Hi everyone, welcome to the Best Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you 2 ways to make delicious roast chicken. All ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box just right below the video. To view it, click into the word show more or a small drop down arrow on the right hand side. Now, let's get started. I have here 5 pounds of chicken leg quarter, 1 whole bowl of garlic, 3 shallots, and 1 inch of ginger. Cut shallots into quarters. Slice ginger into slices. And add everything into a food processor. Finely chop. Then add the seasoning. Two teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of 5 spice powder, 1 or 1½ teaspoon of paprika. Blend everything well together. Now set it aside. Remove as much fat as you can. Chicken leg quarter is one of the cheapest piece of cut, but it's very good for grill and roast. It's often used to make delicious broth. Now remove the backbone. Hold the knife and go along with the backbone, then cut it down in diagonally. It's pretty easy to remove the bone, then save it for broth. Cut 3 deep cuts on top. This will help the meat to absorb all the seasoning evenly. Add all the seasoning. Rub it well into the meat. Then cover. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for overnight. Allow the meat to return to room temperature 30 to 40 minutes before cooking. I will cook 2 pieces in an air fryer. Cook at 400 degrees for 15 to 16 minutes. Well, the colors look great. Let's flip to the other side and continue to cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Depending on the size of the chicken, you must adjust the cooking time. At 12 minutes of cooking, I will check the meat. Well, I think it's done. You don't have to wait until 15 minutes. To make sure it cooked through, you must cover the chicken with foil and let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting. Okay, I will cook these two in preheated oven on broil and position oven rack at the second lowest shelf. Broil the meat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip the chicken to the other side. Return it to the oven. Adjust oven temperature down to 475 degrees. And set timer for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, check the meat. If you want it more crispy, then broil it for 3 or 4 more minutes. Now it looks nice golden all around. Remove from the oven. Then let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting. In the meantime, let's make some scallion oil. Cut scallion. This is just optional, but my family love it. Put it in a bowl, then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Give it a quick mix. Microwave for 20 to 25 seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it well. The reason why I'm doing this is to keep its nice green color of the scallions. To make a simple sauce for this, you will need 1 hot chili thinly sliced, add 1½ tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir well until the sugar is dissolved. You may worry if I use too much sugar for this, then don't worry. This sauce will give a nice perfect balance to the chickens. These two are from the oven and these two are from the air fryer. The color looks exactly the same. The two from the air fryer look a bit more dry, but I will cut it out for you to see. It's not dry at all. It cooked nice evenly. If you cook with large quantity, then use the oven. If you cook just 2, then an air fryer will be perfect. It saves you a little bit of time. But they both look and taste pretty much the same. It's easy to make and so affordable. Dinner for 4 or 5 people, and it costs less than $5. It's perfect to eat with steamed rice or sticky rice, drizzled with yummy little sweet and spicy sauce. It's delicious. I hope you will give this recipe a try. For more easy and delicious recipes, please check out my website at thebestkitchen.com. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the Best Kitchen channel. I hope you have a lovely day.